Okay, 45 minutes downstairs. Alright, okay, I'll see you down there. Thank you. Oh. Time, but I'm going to try to go over really quick my makeup routine. So let me show you all the makeup I'm going to be using, okay? So here it is. This is all the makeup I'm going to be using. I packed it up in this bag. This is like, I got this at Target and I love it because it's rose gold. If you know me, I'm like obsessed with rose gold. I just took a shower, hung up my dress. I'm actually going to put it on right now before I start my routine because I don't want any of my makeup to get on the dress. You know how sometimes when you put it on, the reason why I haven't hung up as I took a shower, the steam actually gets rid of the wrinkles. So I kind of like sprinkle a little bit of water on it. And yeah, let me get dressed real quick. We'll be right back. You guys have been asking for a makeup routine. This is my quick, simple makeup. As you clearly can see, I don't do too much with my makeup. So this is like a quick 10-15 minute makeup routine that I do most of the time. Let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna test out this. I don't know if anybody has tried this, but this is something I'm gonna be using. It's from Smashbox and it's a primer. So I'm gonna test this one out. I get a lot of my makeup from Sephora, FYI. Right, next I'm gonna apply my foundation. Can you see that? Makeup Forever. I've used different foundations, but I really like how this one sits and it blends really well with my skin. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I already wet the sponge. Next, I'm going to use these. These are the Fenty sticks, and this is the truffle and rum. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I also use the rum stick for my eyelids. NARS concealer to use just a little underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to use just a little bit of brown called Playful. This is one of the little palettes that you can just get in the quick checkout line. And to be honest with you, most of my makeup is from the checkout line at Sephora. I can't be traveling with those big palettes and stuff like that. Simplicity is key when traveling on the go. Next, I am going to use this Tarte. This is like a little bronze set. Now, I like to just have like a little more definition on my cheekbones. So I'm going to be using this. It's called Chisel. That chisel look, you know, on the cheekbone. Another buy from Sephora. Then checkout line, Sephora, you got me. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I love this Strictly by Benefit, and it's the Goofproof brow pencil. So I love that it's like, look at, there's like two sides to it. This is the side that you draw it, and this is the side that you just blend it in. Next, the blending. This is my favorite. This actually comes in a set. This is from Fenty as well. And this actually comes in like a little set in the checkout line, of course. So these two together. This is that Hustler Baby Fenty Glow. Yes. As you can see, I've used it a lot. One of my favorite highlighters. You can see that in this lighting, but yeah. Oh, and then I forgot also with this, a little under my under eye, just to kind of bring out my eyes. So I would also do the Playful. Then don't forget the eyeliner. Now this is not my favorite. This is by NYX. This was a quick buy. They didn't have the eyeliner that I normally get, but this has to do for now. Brings out the eyes. eyelashes. I have the smallest, thinnest eyelashes. I've accepted that. I don't really do the fake lashes as much because I just don't have time. It's like one of my favorite mascaras. Better than Sex. Clearly it's the travel size. Sephora checkout line again. Last but not least, the lip liner I'm going to be using is a Sephora line and it's called Hot Sauce, number 32.
I got hot sauce in my bag.
Next, my favorite Buxom. I love using lip plumper. This is one of my favorites, like a mauve color. It's called Getting Warmer. I don't know if you see it. You see how it's like just settled, natural. Then I like to add a little of this. This is that Fenty Glow. You can get this also in the Sephora checkout line. This is the setting spray. Now it's time to do this hair. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta do something quick because I gotta jet. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup routine, but I gotta go. This is my quick 10-15 minute makeup routine. Catch me if you can.